there's Matt right there, and here's the time and date. And we have some central air conditioners at a house in my neighborhood. We've got this is a Payne teardrop. So where's that dang data sticker? You know what, I'll look at this Rheem real quick. This is a Rheem. And it is from 2011, and it's let's see. I don't know how many times it is. It's got 2 blades, push the compressor, and look at the back job. Let's see if I can find the data sticker on this. Gosh dang it. Let's see. I don't know what year this is from, but it's a 30,000 BTU, so that will be a 2.5 ton. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.